Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be discussing and really showing you all places you guys can resell sneakers, shoes, Supreme, I mean really anything, not just those brands, but like any kind of brands, even just general streetwear that you're going to be able to resell in kind of those places aside from just social media. If you don't want to go on Instagram or Snapchat and sell stuff, or you don't want to post there, make a resell account, then I got some places right here aside from those places where you'll be able to actually resell. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you guys want more content just like this video right here, feel free to go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like. I'd appreciate it. The goal I always go for is 200 likes, so if we could hit that goal, I'd appreciate it. But we're just gonna keep good energy in this video, so I hope you guys are feeling good, and we're really gonna get into discussing these places. So if you haven't checked out my Discord down below too, that's a really good time. Got good advice to really explain how you can get shoes and all that. It just it's good. But that's all I gotta say. I'm gonna stop delaying it and stop stuttering. Let's just get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording. I don't know why my face looking so red. We got the rosy cheeks going, but aside from that, you want to check out my IGs down below. I got this one and my resell one. So, if you want to go check out the resell page, give it a follow. I haven't posted there in ages, but the post will eventually come, probably once I get back from school or eventually. Just stay tuned. But yeah, those are both my resell accounts. But aside from that, let's explain where you guys can resell sneakers and just like hype brands or just any brands really right now, kind of at a safe place. So one place I really recommend for sneakers right now, I would say this is probably best for shoes. One of the better places for shoes online that isn't just like Instagram or something, eBay. eBay is super nice for selling shoes. I actually really like them because they have no seller fees on shoes. I think over like $100, like if it's over $100 sale on a shoe, then I think there's no seller fees or something like that. And I think they have an authentication process where they like are legit checking pictures to make sure like listings are legit, stuff like that. So I mean, they're doing the most, and eBay has been doing this on purpose, and they did this on purpose, no seller fees, to compete with the rest of the people. And it's good, it's great, because it's kind of bringing back eBay as this good sneaker marketplace since they're bringing in the authentication process. So just do general legit checking yourself, of course. My number one recommendation is don't buy Yeezy 350s off eBay. Just stay away from that. I mean, I don't really think any of y'all gonna be doing that, but if you are, just please be careful. Really got to do some legit checking there. It just gets sketchy, and make sure you just of course watch the prices and stuff. Never trust too good of a deal. If it sounds too good to be true, then it probably is, and that's usually the case with the sneaker community. It's very rare that it's like a good deal out of nowhere. But just saying that, eBay is kind of the first place I wanted to go over, and you can really actually it's just a good place to start selling shoes and stuff. I mean, like, there's no fees at first. I mean, that's really good for selling shoes. So if you're selling like just regular releases, as a reseller, then hey, eBay is a great place to help you out. That is better than, I guess, making a reselling account if you don't want to have social media. But I always just use a reselling account. I mean, it's super easy. That way you can just post something in your Instagram story and sell it, and have people DM you for it, or post just a picture and have people comment under offers or DM you about it, and then just do deals that way. It's really easy to do that, and that's why I prefer social media. But eBay, I guess you could kind of do the same thing, because you could put a listing where people bid and offer on it, and people can send you messages also, so it's kind of like a DM. But yeah, eBay, once you figure out how to sell in there, no fees, you'll make some good money. So I really recommend eBay kind of as a first one for shoes, mainly for shoes, not for streetwear, I'd probably say, because I think if I'm right, I think there's fees for streetwear. So yeah, you're gonna have to actually put in some work there, and fees for streetwear kind of suck, and also selling streetwear on eBay is kind of sus. So I got a better place for selling streetwear aside from eBay that kind of like allows you to offer and do different things like that. So you guys probably know about this platform. I've always discussed it. Grailed. This is a great place where you can buy, sell, trade sneakers, archive stuff. I mean, when I say they got everything, I mean they have everything. There's a huge variety of stuff. Your boys recently was looking at Volk Golds, some metallic golds to buy. He did purchase some pairs, but yeah, you really can. I mean, like, when I say they have a wide variety of stuff to sell, here you can go and really resell a ton of different things. Now, the only thing about Grailed that sucks is the fees. I mean, the fees are not good, but they're very good at making sure that everything that is posted on their market is legit. I still do recommend that you legit check everything that you purchase, or everything before you purchase it. I'm just saying, like, make sure the person you're buying from has good references. Make sure people have like left good reviews in them. I would never recommend buying off someone on Grailed that has like 0 reviews, or has no I've done that maybe once or twice before, and I mean, one time it turned out someone was trying to scam me. I got my money back, and the other time the person that actually just started the Grailed account was trying to get some references, and I gave them the first little ref right there. So I was like, all right, I got you, bro. So there are some people trying to do good, and there are some people trying to scam on Grailed, but I mean, most people aren't trying to scam on Grailed. It's actually, I kind of consider it a little bit hard to get scammed on Grailed. I mean, it's really just when you trust a deal that's too good, that's when it happens. So just make sure always, they have bad communication. Just please do not buy from them. Like if they have reviews about them having bad communication or something, don't do it, because it's just gonna stress you out or something. And you'd be like, hey, when you ship and when's all this? It's bad business sometimes. So some of the Grailed sellers, I mean, just like, get on my nerves. They really do. Some of y'all, I mean, like, we can scrap, but like, I mean, aside from that, like, y'all are really out here doing good stuff on the other side. So Grailed is a great place where you can buy, sell, trade sneakers. And it's just another place aside from having an Instagram account or something. Because you could also make a Grailed account, build up the following on your Grailed account, and then actually make an Instagram account and dedicate it to what you post in your Grailed account. I've seen a lot of people do that. Shout out to the Grailed account mom for that influence. He actually did that. I think he started on Grailed, grew his Grailed account up, and then eventually just made an Instagram account for it. So that's something you could do right there. So Grailed, eBay, two places I recommend kind of right off the bat there where you can sell. And the next two options I'm about to mention, I know some people are going to be like, Tristan, why are you mentioning these in 2021? Are you like, are you just messing with this, bro? Are you with this? Like, what are you doing? Like, this isn't fun. But I'm not, and I'm seriously mentioning these because there are some places aside from social media where you can sell. So I don't recommend this one heavily, but Stockx. I mean, again, Stockx, Stockx, whatever you call it. I mean, again, I don't really care. I think these guys are actually okay. I think some people have actually do really good business with them, are able to, buy and sell, fairly well, especially people doing like selling bricks and stuff. They're doing good. Like those that sell like the more low-key shoes in bulk, like they're doing really good on platforms like this. But Stockx continues to have issues in 2021 and late 2020 where they have just taken people's orders, like straight up, like people's orders would just like go missing or something. Which, I mean, a lot of orders go missing, and it's I mean, again, there's a lot of shoes to manage, but I've known some people that have just had orders like not get refunded and stuff like that. So there's just been some issues with Stockx, and I'm not just talking cap when I said this. I could definitely bring up the receipts. I mean, you can go look at some of my videos. Stockx is also known for selling fakes and stuff like that before, but again, that's kind of off topic. You can buy, sell, trade here fairly, or not trade, but you can buy and sell here fairly safely. The seller fees are the only thing that I would say mainly sucks about Stockx. I've had only great experiences really with Stockx. I mean, most of the time I've had some communication errors before, like on some orders, like they've taken a while, but I mean, that's not their fault. Like we got COVID right now, so that's delaying shipping and everything. But honestly, Stockx, they had better fees, I think they would probably be better. But I mean, you look at how dominant they are on the market. I mean, everybody checks it for sneaker investment prices, and to see like, oh, how much is a shoe going for? Let me check Stockx price. Like that has gotten out of hand. People are just like, like we need to stop that. But Stockx is getting, becoming worth more and more money. I think they're now heading towards like 4 billion or something. I'm not even kidding, which is crazy. So yeah, sneaker trading, selling, buying is definitely in right now. If you're not on it, then I'm sorry. It's like a $4 billion that's an app that's worth $4 billion, and it's like a $1 trillion market or something like that. I don't know, maybe I'm talking cap, but I think it is something like that. It's worth a lot. But aside from that, another platform aside from Stockx, kind of the brother to it, is Goat. Goat is much better. I think the fees are a little bit lower. They overall have better customer service and communication when you're just trying to resell here. But when you're selling here, I mean, it's just like, it does take a while to get approved on Goat, to what I know. To my knowledge, Goat takes a while to approve people to actually sell. I remember approving once, and I don't even think they did approve me or something like that. So yeah, it can take a while to actually get your approval on Goat to actually sell stuff. But again, they're good for people that are just selling like bulk sneaker bricks, like again, more low-key shoes that they make a little profit on by selling, once they sell more of them, then they make more money on. That's kind of something I've always wanted to get into. I found that interesting. But yeah, Stockx and Goat, they really have similar fees, and they're just really for dead stock shoes. But I will say this for Goat. You can sell hyped brands and stuff on here. You can sell like streetwear and all that here, like used streetwear, I think, and you can sell used shoes. So that's another thing that Stockx doesn't do, that Goat does do. They allow you to sell used shoes and stuff like that. So shout out Goat for that. That is one thing you can do. If you have used stuff you're just trying to get rid of, you can post it on Goat. Or you could just go to Grailed, really. I'd recommend posting on both. But yeah, kind of my recommendation right there. Goat is also good because they allow you to do used stuff. But yeah, pretty much very similar to Stockx in what they both allow you to like sell and buy, And finally, the last platform I want to recommend for reselling, aside from reselling hype brands or any streetwear sneakers on social media, if you don't want to do it there, then one platform I recommend for my EU users, my EU boys, there's this website called Collect, and I think they also have an app also, and they're pretty big to my knowledge overseas, like very big actually. And then again, they just allow you to kind of just buy, sell, and trade streetwear, and it's another place where you can resell. So shout out to them. I think they've hit me up before to do work, and I would love to work with these guys again to help out some of you all overseas, maybe get like some discounts and some stuff, you know, do some business. But yeah, Collect is basically just another place, another platform, and they're kind of better if you're over in the Europe area for, you know, buying, selling, and trading dead stock stuff, I think. But yeah, it's really great. So shout out Collect, and that's another platform right there where you can resell. So aside from that, I'm gonna end the screen recording right there. You know, why don't we end it off with a little funny stutter right there? I know y'all tell me to leave those in because it makes some of y'all laugh, but honestly, I just watch myself like stuttering sometimes, and I'm like, bro, just slow down. But enough talking. That's where you guys can resell without social media right there. So hopefully there wasn't too much background noise. You know, we got my roommate's got a little movie going on in the background, you know what I mean? Or a little show. It's Fargo. It's a fire show. But yeah, let's roll the outro. Anyways, I hope you all did enjoy. If you guys do want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like on this video. Again, the goal is 200 likes, so your boy might be missing his next class because he got to get this video in, you know what I mean? Shh, don't tell nobody. Your boy works hard on this channel. A lot of work and sacrifices I put in for this channel, okay, my boys? Nah, I'm just messing around, but I love you all. Thank you all to everyone who watches my videos and stuff. Again, I know I just said subscribe and like. I don't know why I was about to repeat that again, but this outro is a complete mess, so I'm just going to end it here. Check my IGs. Any of that's down below if you want to check it out. I'm not even going to just repeat myself anymore. All my Instagrams, all that. If you want to go give them a follow, if you want to check them down below, if you want to join my Discord, cool. It's all down below, and I really appreciate it, you know, because, you know, I'll eventually post there. So if you want to just check it out, cool. But that's all I got to say. I'm T, and there is some helpful stuff in the Discord. That's the one thing I would recommend about it. But hope you guys are having a good day. Stay positive, and peace out.